Hello everyone, this is Namita Deshpande. I'm from Thane, Maharashtra. I'm a phonics and spoken English teacher, and also I have done my ECCED. So since last 1.5 year, I have been teaching these two subjects. So enjoying with kids, Urban Pro is very fabulous platform for me as of now because I'm getting a lot of students inquiries on this. And with phonics, spoken English, and with my kids, I'm enjoying a lot teaching and learning also a lot from the small children. We are going to learn today the sounds of the letters. Phonics is a very interesting topic, especially when it comes to for the children. And even the interesting part is I have also taught to adults the phonics. Like they have been into their profession for like 6 to 7 years, but they also learned phonics with me. So this is helpful for all the like from kids to for 4-year-old kid to a adult also. So let's start it. Phonics, there are three levels. Level 1 has 42 sounds. Now, all of us know there are letters from A to Z, but each of these letters has a particular sound, plus single letter sounds and double letter sounds. So together, they are the 42 sounds. So level 1 has these many sounds, plus we have to teach the student the blending also. For example, suppose I'm learning the letter S, sound is S. Letter A, sound is A. So now I have to blend them to make it a word. Like S, A becomes Sa. And then if I'll put a T after that, so it becomes S, At, Sat. So that is how the word form. And these blendings and all these letters, along with the beautiful stories and poems, is all the level 1. Level 2 has certain rules, which we will come to know in the following slides. Level 3 has the alternative sounds. As I just told you that age group is 4.5 years onwards. Duration is approximately 6 months, considering the revision, and the child should be very thorough with the sounds and the reading, writing, everything. So considering all these things, 6 months is the approximate duration. Now, in the first level, as I told you, we are going to learn today about the vowels. Now, every one of us knows that there are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, and U. Now, this particular, all these sounds, like A sound is A. That is called the short vowel sound. Letter E, sound A. That is also the short vowel sound. Letter I, sound E. Short vowel sound. Like I, letter is I. But when I am making it a word like ink, igloo, so I is E. We don't call igloo or ink. We call it E. So letter I, sound is E. Then letter O, like ox, octopus. So letter is O, but the sound is O. Then letter U. Letter U, but we don't, when we, like word is there, like umbrella, up, U-P, P, up, umbrella, under. So when it comes into the word, it has a different sound than it's actually a letter. So A, E, and O. All these are the short vowel sounds. Once we are thorough with these sounds, we can easily form the words. Now, if you can see here, these are all the long vowel sounds. Now, for example, when A and I comes together, the sound becomes A. E and E comes together, the sound is E. Like S-E-E, so E, C. I-E, the sound is I. O-U, sound is OU. O-A also is sound O. And U-E, sound is U. Okay, so these are the short vowel and long vowel sounds. Okay, now let's understand how it helps us. For example, this is a apple. When the A is coming in between, K, letter C has K sound, letter A has A sound, and letter T has T sound. So K, A, T. K, A becomes cat and T, cat. So this is how we need to explain it to the children. Now, what happens when letters A and I come together? Now, I have also written over here P-A-N, P-A-N, pan. But here the word is pain, pain. Because when A and I comes together, the sound is A. Pan and pain. Now here also S-A-I-L, S-A-L, sail. S-N, here also this is a consonant blending. This is what is called the consonant blending. So that when two consonants come together without a vowel in between, it becomes also the blending. Like S and N, S and N becomes sn. So sn, ale, snail. Huh? So this is how the words are formed when A and I comes together. Short vowel and long vowel sound. Now let's go further. Now, as I told you, this is letter O, sound is O. So this is letter G has sound G. Huh? Letter O, sound O. And letter T, sound is T. G, O. Blending will be Go and T. G, O, T, got. Okay. Next is when O and A comes together, the sound is O. G, O, T, goat. Got and goat. Here also, P-I-N, P-I-N, pin. Huh? And when I and E comes together, P-I, pie. So this is how the short vowel and long vowel sounds work, so that it is easy for us to make a spelling. Now, this is the blending part. When children are like thorough with all the single letters and double letter sounds, then depends on the like child. Sometimes we teach in the middle also. Sometimes once the whole first level is completed, then we go for the blending. So we read B-A, first the letters, then the sounds. B-A, ba. C-A, K-A, ca. D-A, D-A, da. This is how it goes till the end. And now this one, bat, bat, cat, cat. Or there is alternatively also you can teach like b at bat, k at cat. As per your teaching style and as per the understanding of the child. Now level 2. This level 2 has two very interesting topics. Children many times find it little difficult, but still they are very interesting. What is the interesting part? The interesting part is now letters C, K and CK. Huh? All these three letters like C also sound K, K also sound K, and CK together also sound K. Like for example, K at cat, K-I-T-E, kite, and we also have D-U-C-K, duck. So all these three different combinations or different letters are used for different words. Now children, especially the elder children, like those who are in standard 3 or standard 5, especially they come with the question that when to use C, when to use K, and when to use CK. So this chapter tells us about those rules. So what happens is, the rule is always letter C and A comes together. C-A, then C and O comes together, and C and U always come together. So that's why children need to understand cat, caught, and cut. This is how with these three words, they can remember or they can recognize that when to use C, when to use K, and when to use CK. So this is C-A, C-O, and C-U go together. Letter K mostly comes at the end of the word, like we say make, cake, like these words. Plus, there is a rule, K and I are together. K and E are always together. So this is the rule. For example, I just written K-I-T-E, kite. And next is duck. So what is the rule for when to use CK is when the letter, suppose I'm writing D-U-C-K. So when there is a short vowel sound in a word, and after that short vowel sound, if the K sound is coming, then we have to use C and K together. You can see all these words like black, back. So A is a short vowel sound. A is a short vowel sound. So after that, the CK comes. There are certain exceptions to these words, but now when children come into the class, we explain them those concepts, those exceptions. So this is all about the letters C, K, and CK. Now this is also one of the quite difficult but also interesting topic. This is called a magic E. You can see here, this is a magic E. Now what Magic E plays. Why is it called magic E? Because this last letter E, you can see here that I have colored it in the red. So when the letter E comes at the end, it plays a magic. What is the magic? The magic is it changes a short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. For example, look at this word C-A-P. C sound K, A sound A, that is a short vowel sound, P, P, K, A, P. Huh? But this is K, A, P. Because this A and this E becomes the one single sound, that is the A. And because of this E, the A is changing to A. This is also P-I-N, P-I-N. Letter I, sound E, short vowel sound, P-I-N. I and E, sound I. So that is the magic is played by letter E. Cut and cute. So this is how the list goes on. There are many such words. Level 3 has some alternative sounds. For example, when we are into level 1, this is the sound we learn, that I, E comes together, the sound is I. But apart from that, for that I sound, these are also the combinations. Just now we have seen these combinations like P-I-E, P-I, pie, T-I-M-E, T-I-M, because I and E sound I. Y. In such words like sky, cry, in such words, letter Y has I sound. And I-G-H, like right, R-I-G-H-T, R-I-T, L-I-G-H-T, L-I-T. So all these four letter combinations has the single sound, that is the sound I. And in level 3, there are many more such combinations. So this is how it goes, all the whole course and all the 3 levels. And also, along with all these 3 levels, what children also learn is reading of the words. Slowly they start the reading of the sentences, and then also, of course, reading of the small paragraph, big paragraph, and dictation also. Dictation is a very important part of the phonics, because what happens is when now children at certain point of time learn to read very nicely. Even gradually, they don't need to take the help of the sounds of the phonics. Like at a certain point, they will not read it like app or cap. They will immediately read it, it's cap, bat, man, whatever the words are. But when the same words are given them for writing, they get confused, especially in the vowel sounds. So, so the whole course of phonics includes reading, writing, understanding, and speaking also. So the course includes everything. This is all about the today's lesson. If you have any queries on this session, I would be glad to answer those questions. And also I would like to, if the opportunity is there, then I would also like to have such sessions again with the Urban Pro.